Northeast Students Organization NISO tells the Union Home Minister Amit Shah no implementation of Citizenship Amendment Bill in Northeast states. MDA convener cum president of Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit M. Tombi blames Centre for creating turmoil in Manipur. All Loktak Lake Area Fishermen's Union objects Loktak Development Authorities and Loktak Inland Waterways Improvement Project appeals to save the lake. '72nd Chingtam Ningsing Mifam at Manipur Dramatic Union Hall in Imphal aims to strengthen ties between hills and valley inhabitants. And Maha Vikas Aghadi government wins trust vote in Maharashtra Assembly after all BJP MLAs stage a walkout. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Wisham with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. Northeast Students Organization NISO has made it very clear that Citizenship Amendment Bill CAB cannot be implemented in Northeast states during a recent meeting held between CSOs of the Northeast states and the Union Home Minister Amit Shah before producing the bill in the ongoing winter session of the Parliament. Impact News sources said that Union Home Minister Amit Shah told the NISO team led by its Secretary General Sinam Prakash in New Delhi that CAB will not be implemented in states where ILP or 6th schedule is already implemented. The NISO team reportedly expressed a discontentment that the meeting to discuss on CAB was held without any representatives from the Manipur state.
ILP chanaba mafam di ke exam togani 6 schedule chanaba mafam exam togani haibna chingba aduga Assam di saru kharaga Manipur gi valley kharaga di masi kano tawde adugi du moi kamaina adu protect tawsige haibgi kana moi khanari khalli haibgi wafam thame kari gi Manipur invite tawdi no haiba question sangada magna Manipur na yana na unagre koi yumda residence ta mai mangani mamangda na haina kana unabi ge hangbuda ma detail di haibu ngamde aina moi try pala aga unabi budra oh yes hai kokomi gi team dra mani hai adudi that is kokomi ga unabi di different matter ni naga issue ni not case cb matang nate ai adu ma nadi cb matang da juwai sa ge haibu thami adu aina I'm not satisfied aduga Manipur gi ate stakeholders am yaudi khote haibu di adudi nahangna dumaina yaudi khalaga di ai invite tawge haibi wafam thame but I strongly magi kanu du da dumaina invite tawtabadu noina koi kai bi ni haibi gi kanu dumadi yam kana react taw
Manipur Dramatic Alliance president of Shiv Sena Manipur State M. Tombi has blamed the BJP-led central government of creating turmoil in the state. He also demanded the government to re-implement the inner line permit ILP system in the state, which was abolished by DDEN Chief Commissioner Himmat Singh on November 18, 1950, after a Manipur merged with the Indian Dominion. Speaking to media at party office in Babupara today, M. Tobi said that Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit has repeatedly urged Union Home Minister Amit Shah and leaders of other political parties not to let Citizenship Amendment Bill CAB ever harm the state. He expressed disappointment that the centre excluded civil society organizations of Manipur while inviting CSOs of other northeast states for holding talks on the contentious bill.
अखोई मणिपुर से इरांग सी प्रजा सिंह थोनिंग थोन मनतबा मणिपुर सी बीजेपी की सरकार से लाख मतम नहीं दे अखोई सी ओंथोंना अखोई की प्रजा सिंह सी सबम तकम खंगदबा अंगांग स्कूल चटप फंगदबा कैथे निथि जन फम फंगदबा लो एंड ऑर्डर निथि जन मेंटेन तब ngमदबा इततना बीजेपी गवर्नमेंट से लाख पकंद सुबाइना थोकपची मसी अखोई होम मिनिस्टर अखोई मसाई मतंगसिदा अखोई क्याम कुमना अखोई इंफॉर्मेशन पिजरे अदुबु मोइना तौगने हाइबा थबकसी ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯔꯗ 303 MP ꯀꯥꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯄꯥꯟ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯅꯤꯡꯕꯗ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯑꯁꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ.
M. Tombi further asserted that the recent political crisis in Maharashtra over government formation is a clear example that BJP cannot forcefully rule by surpassing democracy. He expressed happiness at the formation of a democratic Shiv Sena-led government in Maharashtra backed by Shiv Sena, Congress Party and NCP.
Goa, Karnataka, Manipur dasuni democracy bu murder toba masigumba politically khoigi ngamme haina tawraga praja singi khangal leiba mihut singdubu yamna khoigi leiraga kholaga munlaga pharaga government semgani gaina tawba sigi pochi masi Maharashtra dagi ahanba oina yadre habidu takpu loina Shiv Sena gi national president Shiv Sena gi supremo bu political party BJP na tabakhising na support punamak tawraga Maharashtra gi praja punamak na support tawraga mabu mayam sangnara CM oihandana Maharashtra Shiv Sena ki sarkar ama lakpasi Manipur ki state Shiv Sena unit ki makedagi yamna nungaiba phongdokchare.
General Secretary of All Loktak Lake Area Fishermen's Union, O. Rajan, has condemned Loktak Development Authority for attempting to initiate Loktak Inland Waterways Improvement Project worth around 25.58 crore rupees at the Loktak Lake against the prohibition imposed by the High Court of Manipur and the Ministry of Environment. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Rajan asserted that the union has been playing active roles in safeguarding the Loktak Lake since the early days, but Loktak Development Authority LDA, instead of taking proper measures to protect the lake, is trying to commercialize the lake. He further condemned LDA for putting the blames upon the local fishermen for the deteriorating condition of the lake. O. Rajan stated that the construction of Itai Dam, dumping of garbage and waste materials in the Nambul River, and use of insecticides in the paddy fields around the lake are the main causes behind degradation of the lake. He urged LDA to strive honestly and earnestly to preserve and save the Loktak Lake. O. Rajan urged the authorities concerned to build airlift system if it is deemed necessary. Many fishermen of the Loktak Lake took part in the press meet.
Motobu thozil taragadi motobu ki pangkhadun ungharaba kalda makhada leba nga makai leba nga moy yamna tang harbu using mayam pairaga la aga Loktak secretary mayam restless oidana tapham khangoi Loktak Development Authority na asugum bathabak pakhalakoi bese Loktak ta afaba thabak tarak ki hudam nate Loktak se destructive ki port amdala akal da development gi mingda makona Loktak se destructive orabone environmental da yamakai ba pi bene ba ro makhoina haibu kalda praja sing asina phum phulnra hi yoba yade haibene ba aduga makhoina 2008 tagi horkal 2015 bhagu Loktak ki phum loina sengbo loine claim toroga hojingna phum nei habisi artha kari no sinida motobu thozil taragadi motobu ki pangkhadun ungharaba kalda makhada leba nga makai leba nga moy yamna tang harbu using mayam pairaga la aga Loktak secretary mayam restless oidana tapham khangoi Loktak Development Authority na asugum bathabak.
Leaders of Hills and Valley came together at the 72nd Chingtam Ningsing Mifam at Manipur Dramatic Union MDU Hall in Imphal today. CPI Manipur Council organized the event in commemoration of the meeting held at MDU on November 30 in 1947, right after formation of Yukta Front by leaders of both Hills and Valley regions of Manipur. Speaking on the sidelines, National Executive Member of Communist Party of India, Dr. M. Nara, recalls that the Hills Valley Leaders Meet was held for the first time under the initiative of Communist Party leader Jananeta Hijam Irawat. He asserted that the meeting was instrumental in keeping the territorial integrity of Manipur intact at the time when the smaller kingdoms were being pulled together to form larger states right after British left India. Leaders of all Manipur Kabui Union, Federation of Haumi, Maring Cultural Palayan Society, Zaleangrong Union and various hills and valley-based organizations attended the event. Attendees stressed on the time immemorial close ties existing between hills and valley inhabitants on the occasion.
Manipur da hujik oireba ko charang na ba tangdu lita da ba issue kaya da miyam si ngasi di langtak na ba phawriba asiguma situation manaba ama songnifu teret leigi maduda irabona chingtang apun basaktam mase kai dana ba maintain to bangamgi ba madugi magi political process magi thinking process magi effort madudi tongan ba furup puna ki luching basing loina kauraga phaminadna numit adu da wasak nadana manipuri apun basaktam ngaksiko haidna united front haina semgiba madugi numit adu ningsing jeduna Bharat Communist Party Manipur State Council na ngasigi numida se itihas ki leng ba yadraba aduga huji ki thoiba thodok kaya asda relevance leiba numit amani ne lokacharaga ngasigi numida se khoina palon tok.
Joint Committee Tidim Manipur in a press release condemned Zomi Council for taking out protest rally demand for implementation of the 6th schedule and formation of Zoland Territorial Council on November 25. It asserted that Zomi people belong to Mizoram and Myanmar and not to Manipur. The committee further urged the state government not to grant the demands of the council, which was formed by taking advantage of the unfortunate 1996-97 incident in the state. The Labour Department kicked off Pension Week or Pension Saptah on Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Mandhan PMSYM and National Pension Scheme Traders Scheme at Manipur State Film Development Society MSFDC in Palace Compound today. Speaking on the occasion, Labour Minister Thokchom Radesham appeals to labourers to avail the benefits of the government schemes meant especially for their welfare in old age. He stated that workers in the unorganized sector between the age of 18 to 40 with less than 15,000 rupees per month income can apply for Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Mandhan pension scheme to get a pension amount of up to 2,000 rupees after they attain the age of 60. He added that those in business with annual income less than 1.5 crore rupees can also apply for National Pension Scheme Traders Scheme to get pension amount of up to 3,000 rupees. Minister Thokchom Radesham maintained that beneficiaries can apply for the schemes launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the nearest common service centers without even coming to the Labour Department office. He also said that the government is targeting to enroll 35 lakh beneficiaries under PMSYM and 25 lakh beneficiaries under NPS Trader Scheme. Chairman of Manipur Building and Other Construction Workers Board, Haikam Dingo, Additional Chief Secretary of the Labour Department, Letkogin Haukip, Deputy Labour Commissioner Karam Bobo, and representatives of labour organizations attended the event.
Office Tabama Laka, Ira to Lagana, Tabuk Nungai to Wigo Evanem. Mana come to the Pura Laga, Lao Sidai to begin Namala, Iselao, Ebemalao, Tamola, Kakala, Hagadodra, Adu the letter Diaro, Ati, Tandriaro, Adu Taurana, even to Joki Bibetare, Adonai Labour Department, Yawiro, Kudimotena, request of the Ningisi, Lady government, the Yauriba, we are very fortunate. Me, Mating Pamangam by the say, Mating Pamagi service mat always say, Masi is sworn up with the Kutonga, Pyramid Kangatona. Anybody approach of Wakanda, Kramana Mating Pangsige, why they have come to us? A quite a lie, Sikarino, Mating, I mean, guitar the hour and Bible the hour. Is sure from the quite a 10 Malami Sikar no Kanda, Awanata, Mating, Ni, me the Mating Pang was a sin of white.
District Administration Jiribam along with the Labour Department Government of Manipur also kicked off celebration of Pension Week at Jiribam DC office in Chingdong Lekai today. Speaking on the sidelines, Labour Inspector K. Tiken urged workers to take benefits of the Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Mandhan PMSYM scheme. District Administration Kakching along with the Labour Department also launched the Pension Week at Deputy Commissioner Kakching office today. Labour Inspector H. Biren enlightened on the benefits of Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Mandhan PMSYM and National Pension Scheme for Traders and Self-Employed NPS Traders at the event.
Chahi tarani panna dadagi chahi nipu manungda thabak eligible oiragadi ayam adum eligible oini ko nong isuba mi madum eligible oi mana tha gi lupa yang humbura humbudra la chamara do sakana do chamana ba paisa do account amada hapirni chahi humbu pharak padagi tha da lising om phang bane ko sakai thabak to ko ngata natana praja mayam so sumba khudong chab loba yana ba program si scheme si launch to jabani ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯁꯤꯄꯥꯂꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯄꯟꯆꯥꯌꯠꯇ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯕꯁꯤ ꯂꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯌꯧꯍꯟꯕꯤꯌꯨ.
Revenue Minister Karam Sham led people in carrying out a cycle rally in and around Langtabal constituency today. The event marks the second anniversary of Cyclothon campaign initiated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2017, emphasizing the importance of fuel conservation and pollution-free environment. Revenue Minister Karam Sham launched a campaign in the state on November 26, 2017, and he has been cycling every Thursdays to office since then. The cycle rally began from Chajing Marenkhong Community Hall, passing through various places of Langtabal constituency and finally concluded at Marenkhong Community Hall, where a function was held. The minister presented bicycles to 12 students who study in class 11 and 12 at Lilong Higher Secondary School on the occasion. Speaking at the event, Minister Karam Sham encouraged people not to shy away from imitating good habits. He appeals to youths to cultivate the good habit of cycling to build a strong and healthy society.
Adi horaiba tungin harol singda tamjaningai oiba mawongda phabaiba sidi tamgadabani horai bana harol singna chai shu singna haibagi wakhalonda Thursday khudingi cycle se hapta amada amumuk thaubani aduna Prime Minister ki pandamdasu akhoi sayolamagi manungda lairiba Bharat ki koti samga kuntramuk lairibasina magi profession adu thidana politician warasu IS officer warasu any level la lairiba mi khudinguna sayolamada noma magi cycle se thauragadi oil consume tawbagi chang handahanba hakchang phanba aduga pollution phanba sel thungi phibam phagalhanba aiba wakhalondu da hawdokibani aduna yamna mating leiba khunai ama oirakna ba honaba kanda di mating thopan harol kayagi mafam Manipur gi samaj de yamna darkar leiri.
The bridge on Khujai Lok River running between Moray wards number 7 and 6 is in a deplorable condition with many broken parts. Despite people's pleas to ministers, MLAs and Moray town authorities to convert the bridge into RCC Bridge, no measure has been taken till date.
Moray 1 number 6 amadi 1 number 7 ga samnaba lakai anigi nutigi yam maruiba lanthong lanchin toriba thongni thongjina maram marakan tawsi praja mayam jing nungdang athingbada haru chanabada kinare ang maksu extend thoktana ang ani sokhibagi phumong sana lene marksda hoyisi miyam ge ba pena daba nungai daba mayama lakpi abi phiu ma leire haitare aduna sarkar na asi leiriba thongi phium si yengbire harakanda tokot pibi aba kari no du yengbiraga thongsi kitang praja gi yengbiraga khar thuna samjan binana bidamakta haidona sarkar gi puning singsinjari.
Vice Chairman of Manipur Food Industries Corporation Limited, Ksarat Kumar, along with Jiribam SPM Mubi, met with residents of Babukal in Jiribam district and listened to their grievances today. Speaking to media, Ksarat Kumar said that the road and bridges of the area are in a deplorable condition. He assured to provide necessary assistance and to urge the authorities concerned to look into the matter at the earliest. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Shiv Sena-led Maha Vikas Aghadi winning the trust vote in Maharashtra Assembly. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Shiv Sena-led Maha Vikas Aghadi has won the trust vote in Maharashtra Assembly after all the BJP MLAs staged a walkout. A total of 169 MLAs voted in favor of the confidence motion while 4 members abstained. With 105 BJP MLAs absent, 0 votes were cast against the motion. Earlier, Congress leader Ashok Chavan proposed a trust vote while NCP's Nawab Malik and Shiv Sena's Sunil Prabhu seconded it. Speaking to media, former Chief Minister and BJP leader Devendra Fadnavis said not just the appointment of a pro tem speaker, but the session in itself is illegal and unconstitutional, stating that there was no case ever that the pro tem speaker has been changed. Fadnavis said that they will write to the governor to suspend the House proceedings. Health Director Dr. K. Rajo has announced to hold immunization drives for infants under 2 years and pregnant women of Chandil, Tengnopal, Tamenglong and None districts under intensified Mission Indradhanush. The drive aims to prevent various diseases like polio, diphtheria, whooping cough, tetanus, measles and rubella. He declared the same to media during a media sensitization program held at Health and Family Welfare Directorate, BT Road today. Dr. K. Rajo stated that first round of immunization will be held on December 2, followed by second, third and fourth round on January 6th, February 3rd, March 2nd of 2020 respectively. He asserted that altogether 298 immunization centers will be opened in the 4 districts for vaccination of around 683 pregnant women and 1,422 infants under 2 years. Dr. K. Rajo mentioned that a state steering committee was formed after a meeting with the principal secretary to make the mission a success.
Nurse kaya sakani ada ahamba hang leba sub center sing so koi loi fill up tore aduga masida yapoina session sizing sida due list haibadi kana walori bano haibadi maming matha adagi agang maming mama mapa maming leka ga loina na yapoi loina due list kada ga wali bano se mas yapoina loina cs paira mapa koi sida loina koi ready de lere koi vaccine je koi kapsa ga dori bise free the capture the money aduna machine program masibu mapung phane namta koi lapilo media gi section khudi mana su mateng pamyu.
Family Welfare Department along with Primary Health Center More also held an awareness program on Mission Indradhanush at the conference hall of Manipuri Muslim Council More in More town today. Speaking on the occasion, Additional Director of Family Welfare Department Dr. M.D. Salam said that timely immunization will prevent various diseases such as measles, tuberculosis, diarrhea, Japanese encephalitis, rubella and diphtheria. He urged everyone to get their children immunized during the 4-month intensified Mission Indradhanush starting from December 2. Dr. M.D. Salam also appeals to ASHA workers to extend necessary assistance in carrying out the vaccination drive. Representatives of various civil society organizations of More attended the event.
District ayamadi masa-masagi target haibadi sigi saruksi angang chama lerodi marfutrama pandikape natragan chama kape haibadi aduga hujik pira iba district ku chani kun Manipur gina district mari sigi sidi laina na sum lakpa aduga kaptaba masingna pathokpada nganga khenaba leibadagi India government na selection toraga kaphalapani.
Kanglei, Kongyang, Tizinyong, KKT and Department of Chemistry DM College jointly kicked off the first National Conference on Science and Technology for Society at the Chemistry Department of the college today. Dean of Physical and Mathematical Science, Manipur University, Professor N. Rajmohan, Professor N. Ibotombi, Dr. L. Jaydeva and Principal of DM College, Professor L. Jadu, graced the event. The conference, named as Kumang, was organized especially for science enthusiasts, and it encouraged inventors to get patent rights for their new inventions through KKT.
Anybody who is interested in science haibitare aduga technology sida hek interested oriba mi khudimangna akoigi KKT gi through the lak piraga anything interested related to science and technology koi nong sigum haijari se ko sigi sida technology patent tawningba aduga lairaba mi ama weragasu ina khunba ama weragasu aina science ki damang te kenom toragadi akoi always welcome haibase akoi gi ngasigi Kumang 2019 sigi akoi gi aim and objective ne.
Online mathematics competition for students of class 1 to 12 from Brazil, Russia, China, India and South Africa. BRICS kicked off at Mother Pride Academy in Kwakshifai, Bishnupur district since November 13. The competition is being held for the first time in Manipur at the academy in the spirit of cultural and educational exchange among the students of BRICS. The competition is being carried out in 8 shifts per day, wherein each shift 12 students are given 1 hour each to complete the competition online. An educational conference on the theme Education in the 21st Century as part of the event was held today. Directorate of Tourism in a press release informed that the 10th Manipur Sangay Festival 2019, which was supposed to conclude today, has been extended till December 2nd following a resolution of the government. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah will grace the closing ceremony on December 2 as the chief guest at Bhagyachandra Open Air Theatre, Haptakang Jebung at 4:30 p.m. 113 Battalion Border Security Force BSF headquarters Loktak held the 55th Raising Day of BSF with a grand feast and various cultural programs today. The event was held under the guidance of Commandant Hidam Subol Singh and under the aegis of Sector Headquarters BSF Manipur. Retired BSF personnel, village chiefs, ward members, NHPC officials attended the event. Manipur Home Guard Employees Welfare Association Imphal in a press release informed that the 56th Raising Day of Home Guard organization will be held at Manipur Press Club on December 6. The association also said that a resolution will be taken during the event against the state government's failure to implement the judgment issued by the Supreme Court to give compliance within 3 months in 2005, despite repeated pleas made by the Home Ministry and PMO office. A newly constructed office of Wangjing Subdivision under Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited, Thaubal Division, was opened at Kalimai Complex near Lamding Higher Secondary School today. Speaking on the occasion, General Manager of MSPDCL Electrical Circle 2, B. Ibomcha Sharma, said that the subdivision office will ease plights facing consumers in areas under MSPDCL Thaubal Division. He asserted that altogether 20,000 consumers of Wangjing, Lamding, Sangayumpham, Tentha, Udyal, Wangbal, Hairog, Karimbikhog, Salungpham, Kongjom, Tekcham, Sapam, Samaram, Langatel, Pundrei, Papal are under the division. Now the sports news. 13 Hero I-League 2019-20 kicked off at Aizawl in Mizoram today. In the home match played at Aizawl's Rajiv Gandhi Stadium, Aizawl FC and Kolkata's Mohan Bagan ended in a goalless draw. Players of Aizawl FC executed an excellent game plan in the match. In the second league match, Kerala Gokulam will play against Neroka FC at Kozhikode's EMS Stadium tonight at 7. Altogether, 11 teams, including Manipur's famed football club Trau FC, are competing in the Hero I-League. FC bagged championship in the second division I-League last year to participate in the I-League 2019-20, which kicked off today. Trau FC will lock horns with Chennai City FC at Coimbator's Nehru Stadium tomorrow. Players of Creative Taekwondo Institute Sagolban Soyam Chinglemba has been selected for the Indian Taekwondo Pomze team to participate in the South Asian Games to be held at Kathmandu in Nepal tomorrow. Chinglemba will compete in the above 23 years category in the Games' first Taekwondo Pomze competition. Chinglemba, who is currently in the Indian Air Force, is the first player from Manipur to be selected in the Indian Pomze team. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Northeast Students Organization NISO says no implementation of Citizenship Amendment Bill in Northeast states to Union Home Minister Amit Shah. MDA convener cum president of Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit M. Tombi blamed Centre for creating turmoil in Manipur. All Loktak Lake Area Fishermen's Union objects Loktak Development Authority's Loktak Inland Waterways Improvement Project appeals to save the lake. '72nd Chingtam Ningsing Mifam at Manipur Dramatic Union Hall in Imphal aims to strengthen ties between hills and valley inhabitants. And the Mahavikash Aghadi government wins trust vote in Maharashtra Assembly after all BJP MLAs stage a walkout.